another weekly vlog. Today's vlog is starting on a Wednesday. I actually have a lot to do today. I have so much to do. I have to fold laundry, I have to edit a video, I have to go get a digital fingerprint registered or whatever it's called. It's like a place where you can go and you can just do like a digital identification or whatever, and then you're able to get any documents online that you may need. And we need to do this because we have to get what's called an empadronamiento, which is one of the first things that we ever did when we first got here. And it pretty much is a way to register in the city that you live in. And with that paper, you can register your kids to school, their bus cards and stuff like that. So we are in the process of renewing our visa. So in order for us to renew our visa, we have to get an updated one. But when you do the digital stuff, you can just download it, print it, and that's it. So that's what we're doing. I can't believe we're renewing our visa all over again. Like, I can't believe we're here again. So I'm gonna leave my house right now. I got ready for the day and we're gonna go get this done. So we'll see how it all goes. All right, all done. That was probably the easiest procedure I've ever done since moving here. But it was really fast actually. So everything's all ready. I can do everything online. But I'm gonna go to Mercadona right now to pick up some ice and some ice cream because the boys asked for some vanilla ice cream. It's around 10 a.m. and we're getting ready to leave the house right now. We are going out with my in-laws. They're downstairs waiting for us. I'm so excited because they got a car, so we get to drive around and see the city in a car and just completely experience it in a different way. So we're gonna go now to Elche. Elche is still in Alicante, and we're just gonna do a few things over there, eat, hang out, spend the day together, and I'm really excited. So the only problem is that our AC, remember if you guys watched my videos talking about the AC, so it's brand new unit, it doesn't work. It'll stay cool for a little bit and then it'll turn off in like 5 or 10 minutes. So it keeps turning off, and the AC people have been supposedly coming for over a week now, and they don't get their stuff together to come and fix everything. So hopefully they don't try to come today while we're out of the house. Let's just hope that doesn't happen. So anyway, they're setting up the booster seats right now in the car, so we're gonna go to Elche. Let's go and see what the day brings. Okay, so we came to the mall right now. It's a really nice mall here in Elche, and we stopped by Primark because I needed to get the boys some stuff. So I got them a few things, and then we stopped by a store called Normal where they have like a whole bunch of American stuff. So I got some stuff from there too. They had some Scrub Daddy. But we're just hanging out waiting for my father-in-law right now because he took the car to get an oil change. That's what they needed to do here. So we came. The boys some coloring books because they want to go home, so we're trying to help them stay distracted. Okay, so we randomly decided to take a detour to Murcia, and we came to Ikea because this is the closest Ikea to us. So we're gonna see what we're able to find here. Good morning. It is Saturday. It is around 9:20 a.m. and we have just been home all day yesterday since we got back from Ikea and being out and about because I don't know what we ate, but we got the stomach bug and we were just suffering yesterday. It was miserable. Thankfully, when we got home from Ikea, I had the adrenaline rush to build everything. Usually George builds everything, but I was like, no, let me do it. I want to do it. So we were able to build everything. So I'm going to show you guys what we got. Okay, so this is the organization thing that we got for the kids' toys. We had the same system back in the US. This is just different. And this is where we keep all of their toys. And this one is smaller because they don't have as many toys here. So it comes with lids. And this is where we have the toys that we brought from the US over there because we brought the most important ones. This I brought from the US. I actually need to go through all of this and look through their books because these kids have so many books. And then I got this for them, which we also had back in the US. And it's just for them to color, and this is actually really great. I love this. I also got 2 of these bathroom mats so that we get new ones because I like to replace them. I wash them throughout the year, but I also like to replace them every year. And since we've been here for a year, I thought it would be good to replace them. And the walls here, as you can tell, they're not like that great to be able to drill holes and stuff. So I got these suction cups for around the house to be able to hang towels, hang little things. And we just got a few things for the house, just like little things like Ziploc bags and stuff like that. So anyway, we're just gonna hang out right now. Alex and George went to karate because Alex has a competition. He's been doing karate. I don't even think I've ever shared that with you guys, but he's been doing karate for a few months now, and it's time to move up and get a new belt. So today is the testing that they are doing to see if he moves up. So we'll see. Hopefully he does well. Anyway, all right, I'm gonna crochet for a little bit, have my coffee. This is what I'm making right now. Let me show you. I have this yarn right here, and I'm making a scrunchie. It's my first scrunchie. It could be better. So I was doing my scrunchie and I got tired of doing it. So I started to do another crochet project, but this is my scrunchie right now. It's really easy. I just got bored. I don't know why. So now I'm making a mesh vest, which I've made before, but I messed up, so I just stopped doing it. But now I'm gonna make it again, and I'm using this yarn from Hobie. Is it Hobie? And it's the Friends Cotton 8x6 in the color pistachio. This is what it looks like, and it is a fine weight to yarn, and I'm using a 4.5mm hook. And I'm gonna explain it to you guys in case you guys care. If you don't care, I'm sorry. But I always get questions about crocheting and if I can do like tutorials, but I'm not really good at doing tutorials. Maybe eventually I will. Maybe I'll create like a completely separate account just for crochet stuff, because it just wouldn't go with my current accounts right now. A lot of people barely care about the Spain life because they follow me from flight attendant stuff. So if I add crochet, it'll just be like way too much. So what I did is I made like 108 chains, I believe, to go around like underneath my bust. And I left a little bit of a gap. And then I did 4 extra chains, 3 that are double crochet and 1 that are to chain up. And then I started to do double crochets in the 7th chain from your hook. So if your hook is right here, you're gonna count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and you're gonna do your double crochet in there. Then you're going to chain 1, and then you're gonna skip a stitch, do the double crochet again. Chain 1, skip a stitch, double crochet again. I hope that makes sense. But anyway, that's what I'm working on right now. We'll see how it comes out. But I love this color. Oh my goodness, I love this pistachio color. Will I wear it? I don't know. We will see. Good morning. It is a few days later. I'm so sorry I forgot to vlog over the last few days. It's just been crazy. But I'm getting ready for the day. And I realized I never finished out the vlog. So I'm going to give you guys a few updates on what's happening. I think I mentioned earlier that we are in the process of renewing our visa. So we have been just super busy trying to get everything ready for that because it's time to do so. And also another thing is we are getting ready to go to the US because I have to go to recurrent training. Like, even though I'm on leave, I still have to do recurrent training. That way when I am ready to go back after my leave, I am ready to go, qualified and everything. So I'm gonna be going this month, and George is actually coming with me because he has a few things that he needs to take care of over there. So it's gonna be so much fun. We're also making time to go to Disney because why not? Our friends are gonna be there, so we decided to just go with them. Let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see, what you guys want me to show while we're there. I am also going to be flying with George, obviously, but we're gonna be going on American, and we're going on confirmed seats. So it's definitely going to be interesting not having to go standby this time. So I'm actually really looking forward to it. So again, let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see. If you guys want to see a review of the plane, because we're flying business class on American, we switched some of our points, our credit card points, over to that so that we're able to fly confirmed. We actually ended up finding a really good deal, and it ended up being the same price as if we were to fly standby using my flight attendant benefits. So we figured, why not just do that and have confirmed seats and go business class. So if you guys want to see a review of all that, let me know. I will definitely do that. I know it's a little bit different for my channel, but why not? It's fun. So I'm gonna finish getting ready. I'm going to be making a video on how to make Spanish tortillas. Make sure you're also following me on other social media platforms. I'm very active there when I'm not active here. So I would love to have you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it to the end, leave me a little airplane emoji in the comments. That way I know you made it to the end, and I appreciate you so much. Don't forget to subscribe if it's your first time here, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.